In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link PayPal to your Coinbase account and move your funds smoothly, whether you're on desktop or mobile. First, open Coinbase and sign in. On desktop, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon, then choose Settings from the menu. If you're on mobile, open the Profile or Settings area from your app's menu. This takes you to the place where you manage connected payment options and account preferences. It's a good idea to make sure you can receive security codes on your phone or email, since Coinbase may ask for verification as you make changes. Next, let's add PayPal as a payment method. In Settings, select Payment Methods. When the page loads, click Add a Payment Method and from the list choose PayPal. Keep in mind that on Coinbase, PayPal is for withdrawals only, not for buying crypto. Click Login, sign in to your PayPal account, and approve Coinbase's request to connect. Coinbase may prompt you for a verification code for security. Enter it when asked. Once everything is confirmed, click Done. You should now see PayPal listed as a linked method in Coinbase. If anything doesn't link, double check that your name and country match on both accounts and that PayPal is supported in your region. Now you're ready to sell crypto and withdraw to PayPal. From the main Coinbase screen, click Assets in the top left to view what you hold. Then select Buy or Sell in the top right and choose Sell. Pick the cryptocurrency you want to sell, like Bitcoin. Look for the Add to option and change it from your local currency to PayPal. Enter the amount you want to sell or select. Sell all if you want to cash out everything in that asset. Take a moment to review the current price, quote, and any fees before you proceed. Fees and quotes can change with the market. When you're ready, click Sell Now. Coinbase will complete the sale and send the cash proceeds straight to your linked PayPal account. That's it. Your funds should appear in PayPal shortly, often within minutes. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment and refresh your PayPal activity. Remember, selling crypto can have tax implications, so consider keeping records of your transactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal and Coinbase tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.